Interrupted with the Outlfltr Library DLL blocking Microsoft Outlook junk mail filter workflow? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. Before we get started with Outlfltr Library, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the Outlfltr Library, the Outlook junk email filter module. It manages the localized unmanaged execution of spam signature matching and localized Bayesian filtering. It facilitates the localized inspection of incoming message headers and body content to identify malicious data streams. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Outlfltr is distributed specifically with Microsoft Outlook junk mail filter and should never be downloaded as a standalone file. Reinstall the latest official version of Microsoft Outlook junk mail filter to restore this dependency correctly through the official installer. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Outlfltr Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Please use caution. Replacing Outlfltr Library DLL manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. To help prevent background conflicts, the maintenance utility reference below includes information related to Outlfltr Library synchronization. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Outlfltr Library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.